Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to show you how you can change your BMW iDrive controller from looking like this to looking like this. How good does that look, guys? All of this for under £15. Check it out.
Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro an advance.
Guys, how's it going and welcome back to the channel. So before today's video starts, I want you all to go smash that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button as well. If we can get this video up to 150 or 200 likes plus, it means so much to me, guys, honestly. And like I said, in most videos, 60-70% people of you watching my videos are not subscribed. So go smash the subscribe button now and slap the thumbs up button. So we're outside with the M135i. In front of me, we've got basically, it's like an add-on kit or just a little simple replacement kit that comes for you to replace your iDrive controller. Now it's just a swivel bit on top. It's not the full controller itself, but all this package cost me, I think it was literally about £6 or £7. So cheap and such an easy mod to do. But let's go in and explain to you guys how easy it is. So obviously the bit we're replacing is this part on top. Now you're probably thinking, Luke, do you have to be some sort of like mad electrician? Nope. Do I look like an electrician? Nope. So pretty super easy, simple stuff to do, guys. First thing you have to do is actually pop this top black plastic bit off. That basically directs you where you got to go with your iDrivers. But anyone thinking, is it going to damage this black bit? It depends what you use to take out with. I had a little go earlier just to make sure it was that part, and as you can see, I scraped a little bit off of it there with the Stanley blade, scalpel, whatever you want to call it. But you need something quite sharp, and probably something like that sharp, but maybe made out of like rubber. Be a lot easier for getting in, and as if you just didn't want to damage it. I'm not too fussed because I've got a brand new controller unit there, but if you are a bit worried, maybe go online and get yourself like a rubber one of these, or if you're not bothered, just get one of these. So I'm going to try and keep you guys on it with what I'm doing the whole time, just with like a hands-on bird's eye view of what's going on. So like I said, the first things first is get your scalpel or like rubber trim remover if you've got a trim remover, and get underneath and basically flick out the black part that's on top here. Just basically the directions of where you can basically move the controller, that is. Quite easy to pop off, comes out like so. Like I said, mine's got a few little marks on it now just from where I've been using this, but it's not a big deal. I'm not going to be using this again 100%, so I don't have to worry about it. The next bit, guys, is relatively simple. You see this silver little like surround here, basically. It's got the 4 clips inside here, and you've got to basically, without breaking them, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but you can usually get underneath where one of the clips are and prise this off. You just want to make sure you don't break the clips. But yeah, as you can see, that one came off quite easy just from going underneath and prising it out. And that is pretty much the uninstall done. That's how easy it is, guys. Really super simple. The next thing obviously is to replace the 2 bits. So I'll put into comparison here, guys, the 2 bits we're replacing. So these are the 2 parts. So for instance, that's the part that will sit on there, and that's the part that will go over the top like that. That's basically substituting this one for that one.
No, God, please, no.
There goes that. I've lost that now. See you later. Great install video. We'll find that in a bit. Basically now, all you've got to do, pop this down. Doesn't really matter where, because it will just find itself down anyway. It's just to basically go over the little swivel bit itself. It basically sits over the top like so, just like an extension in a way. That's it. That's the word, an extension. So it makes it look like the genuine ProNav swivel. So pretty cool. I like how it looks in black as well. It's like a blacky grey. It's like a chrome black. That's the word. That's the colour I'm looking for. Chrome black. And obviously then after that, it's pretty simple. It's just popping this on. So make sure you line everything up, guys, because it all just go into place. It all just go in certain places. See on camera, you've got clip there, clip there, clip there, and another one there. We've also got very small, fine ones on the corners right here. And those ones that are on the corners actually go with where these are, so that when you take it off, I mean, you'll see what I mean as I fit it, guys, but just make sure you get everything lined up, because that's the one thing you don't want to mess up, is lining this up. It should, if I'm getting my calculations correct. There you go. So it's like that. It's on like so. How easy is that, guys? Absolutely. Probably one of the easiest installs I've done, apart from the button. I think they're both pretty similar for how difficult they are, but that is really easy. Just to prove to you how good it is still, it all works. So we go back to main menu, use a scroller. As you can see, everything's still working, guys. Even going up and down like that, to the side. Everything's working. Absolutely insane. Can't recommend that product enough. Look how much it's changed the car, especially when I get my carbon fiber to go around it as well. Gonna look insane. I'm not going to be sticking around because I've got to go indoors and do some bits and edit and stuff like that, guys, so I can't show you it illuminated. But if you have me on Instagram or the LBTV Facebook page, I will post a photo up of it when it's actually dark with it all illuminated, just so you guys can see, because obviously I ain't got it on camera. But anyway, guys, that is that. How simple and easy was that? It literally took me less than, like, it can take you less than 5 minutes, not even that. I'd say have that done in like under 2. It's that simple. Now, if you guys do if you're basically enjoying these little install videos, let me know in the comments down below. Would you like to see any other thing like this? Any like simple, you know, little small gadgets that you can change around? Anything up on like the dash wise? Maybe in the future I need to do my pro nav, so that'd be a cool one to do. But I kind of want to, like, you know, do a series for you guys. Put these in like a series basically together, showing you guys what little bits in your car you can actually change for like under 100 quid. I know I said it in a previous video before, I was like, there's no chance you can really get anything for a BMW that's under 100 quid, but I'm starting to find little bits that you can. Now, it's not like OEM genuine swivels, but you know, guys, it doesn't matter, it looks absolutely insane. Now, for those of you asking, look, why'd you go for that one? It doesn't really look like the Pro Nav one. It's black and chrome and gloss. The reason I went for that is just because, like I said, I was getting carbon fiber bits come in. You can get the original looking one where it's black with like a silver lip on the top. I can leave a link in the description down below to that as well. Like I said, guys, I thought, to be fair, at the beginning of the video, I thought I've got it for like 6-7 quid or 8 quid, I think I said, but it's not. It's actually just under 1500, under 15 pounds. Yeah, just under 15 pounds for this product. So either way, it's still really cheap and it looks awesome. Changes the inside completely. I now don't have to look down at a little small button like that. It's sick. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, please, guys, please. It means so much to me if you hit the like buttons, because it just means you're enjoying the videos more, you're just getting involved with me in the videos more. Just comment down below, guys, as well, if you want to see anything new. We'll get some mad stuff out and see what's going on. We've got more carbon coming, like I said, so hopefully I can keep rolling videos out, and I might bring back a 500 to 15,000 pounds episode, a special isolation one. We'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.